Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In previous class, we discussed about history of Python, features of Python, applications of Python. Now we are going to see how to install the Python on your systems. Step 1, open the web browser. Step 2, visit the website python.org. It is the official website to download the Python software. Step 3, so click on Windows in menu bar. Step 4, click on button Python 3.8.2. Then a file downloaded automatically. Double click on the downloaded file. Then the installation process will be begin automatically. At the time of installation, you can add Python to the path. Otherwise, you can add Python path to the path manually. So last step is click on install. So now we can see how to install the Python practically.
To install the Python, so open the web browser. Visit python.org website. In the menu bar, click on Downloads. After that, click on Python 3.8.2. An exe file will download it with the name Python 3.8.2. The file downloaded. Double click on the downloaded file. Anyway, so now the Python setup will be begin. So click add Python 3.82 path. After that, click on install now. Now the installation process will be begin. Setup was successful. Now the Python is installed in your computer. Close. Now you can check Python is installed or not. How means simply go to programs, click Python. So this is the Python IDLE. So this is the Python IDLE. You can check print hi. Yes, it is working.
Now we can see how to execute Python programs. We can execute the Python program in two ways. One is interactive mode, another one is scripting mode. So, interactive mode means when you are open the Python, then you are interacting with the Python interpreter. That means you are giving the instruction to Python interpreter, and Python interpreter returns the result. That we are called as a interactive mode. In some situations, you can write set of instructions to accomplish a task. In that time, you are going to write all the instructions into one script and you can execute that script. That we are called as a scripting mode. So that means interactive mode means you can give the each instruction. In scripting mode means you are executing set of instructions. Now we can see these interactive mode and scripting mode practically.
Now we can see how to execute the Python program. To execute the Python program, first you are going to enter into the Python IDLE. Double click on this IDLE icon. So IDLE means Integrated Development Learning Environment. So how we can execute the Python program means we can execute the Python programs in two ways. One is interactive mode, another one is script. That means when you open this Python 3.82 IDLE, you get one window. So this is we are called as a interactive mode. So that means here you are going to give the instruction student num equals to 1 2 3. So if I want to know the student num, I can interact with the Python interpreter. So now I am going to write one program So for swapping of two numbers, so how we can swapping? So I am taking one variable a equals to 10 and I am taking another variable b equals to 20. Now I want to swap the values, so I can write a comma b equals to b comma a. So now I am going to print the values of a and b. What is the a value? 20, and what is the b value? 10. The numbers are swapped. Now the same program we are going to execute using scripting mode. So to open a script, click on file menu, click new file. So now you can write the program here. What is the program? Swapping of two numbers. Swapping of two numbers. So here I am taking one variable a equals to 10, b equals to 20. I am writing swapping code a comma b equals to b comma a. Print a comma b. For better understanding, before swapping, we can write one print statement. Before swapping a comma b. Same after swapping. The next step is to save the file. Save. Now I am going to execute the program. Simply click on run menu, click on run module. Yeah, so before swapping 10, 20, after swapping 20, 10. So what is the difference between interactive mode and scripting mode? In scripting mode, the instructions are saved with name, so that we are called as a program. But in interactive mode, we cannot save the instructions. We give the instruction to the Python interpreter, it returns the output, that's it. Save the interactive mode instructions. But coming to script mode, you can write all the instructions in a file and save the file. Whenever you want to execute that file, simply open the file and click run, that's it.